Okay, we've let our head set up and dry good. So we had to sand down and adjust the back so we get our back to fit good. So if you ever have to get inside to repair it, you just unscrew this piece and then you can get inside. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. Got any questions or comments, put it in my comment section. I'll get back with you.
And by the way, can you imagine you're a cop and you're trying to do your job and you get a call to go over to all these really dangerous snakes. Yes.
So like I say, if you have to get inside to make repairs, you just take the wig off, unscrew this one, and your back will slide out. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to cut the mouth, the bottom, the chin, the upper lip. So we'll need 3 pieces that we'll glue together that will go in here. So we'll get these cut out and glued together, then we'll be ready for the next step. Thanks for watching.